So today we have a special guest. As you can see, this is quite Perry, guys.
Oh, hi.
So everybody who knows Quiet Perry, leave a comment down below. Sorry, I'm sweating, guys. It's hot. We're going to do Say It or Shut It today. I have 10 questions or 10 blank statements that we're going to throw out there. And you know, we have the bougie wine glasses.
I'm dead at these. Yeah. I'm so dead.
I was gonna buy shot glasses and I completely forgot. So I'm like,
that's fine. It's okay. We have no problem swilling hot pepper sauce.
Yes, we have hot pepper sauce. We have ketchup. Oh. I was gonna do vinegar and then I googled it and they're like, no, don't drink that. That's not good for your lungs, your esophagus.
Vinegar, you mean that's clean, wipe off rust off.
Yeah, but you can have the apple cider vinegar too. And
okay.
And then we have one lucky last statement shot of liquor. You know, just to get today going.
I'm not a fan. Somewhere. I'm not a fan of Ray and his nephew. I'm gonna tell you, I've had bad experiences.
We're gonna have some experiences today, guys. You're gonna get to know Perry on a different level, trust me.
That's like a soda drink we're gonna drink today.
Everything. You have to at least answer one.
Oh
we're going
God.
to. Alright, so we're going to start this off so the video is not too long. Alright, so who last DM'd you and what did they say? So where's hold on.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna look to see.
So we're going to see. On Instagram. Let's do Instagram. Oh, this doesn't count.
It does not count. But mine is different though. So the last person who DM'd me was Rashane in our little group, our friend group, and he said, "Allow my friend, please."
Oh, okay, alright, you get what
you guys don't have no context at all about what he's saying.
I got seen. Let me see. Let me go into my messages, my WhatsApp.
It's a DM though.
Okay.
It's a DM. Please go in your DM time.
Well,
don't use me.
I'll go in the general one. Somebody sent me a story. These don't count.
Come, girl, I have to go find someone.
Alright, a subscriber sent me a DM and they said, "I love you."
Okay, so, alright.
Yeah.
Okay. No, but you still have to say the person's name.
Alright, Patrick Fletcher said, "I love you."
Okay, there's no going around it.
Patrick, if you're watching it, I love you too.
Big up yourself, Patrick.
Yeah. No shot yet, guys.
Okay.
So, have you ever liked your friend's boyfriend or girlfriend?
Lied to them?
Liked. Never liked.
Oh, liked. Oh, liked.
No. Well, not like as in romantically like. I like them as people, some of them, but I've never romantically liked any of my friends' people.
I'm gonna say yes.
You have?
Not like that though, but like, you know, probably could never deal with them. I don't know.
Oh.
You could possibly see yourself with them, but it's not.
But like your friend. Yeah. Alright, this one I know you're gonna take a shot for this one. Bank account statements. Pull up your bank account balance. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna take a shot because I'm not sure. I got bills to pay, guys. So you have to pick ketchup, hot sauce.
Well, you have picked me. Why am I going to show them my bank account balance?
Show them.
Why am I going to show them?
Pull up the app. Pull up the online banking.
We are trying to figure out which one that have the money in there, so we can show them that one there.
Right. Your family and friends can say, "Listen, you're not lying when you say you can't lend them money."
It's fine. I'll shot. I'll shot.
Where you want shot?
Where you want shot? I can choose.
Yeah, you
not
can
the whites. Not the.
Alright.
You can probably do the hot sauce.
The hot sauce?
Yeah.
Alright. Should I unwrap it? Let's see.
Oh my god.
This is gonna be. And it's not no liquor shot. You always take liquor shot in the people in the video, and it's not gonna be no liquor shot this time. May I tell you?
What you mean?
Every time. You think I didn't see that one with Petite and Rush Cam, and you're taking like, and you're pretending to drink it?
Come here, girl.
Alright, tell me when.
How am I gonna drink it? Stop, girl! Jesus Christ! Mercy!
Fling it back.
No, ma. Where's your shot?
Oh!
Yeah. Where's your shot? Why am I out of water already?
Okay. Well, guys.
Just measure this up. Measure it. It's not teeth.
Never really
mate.
like
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It tastes nice though.
But still.
Ah!
The aftertaste.
Ooh! Next question, girl. God no.
Ooh, can you say your crush's name? Next shot. So, my crush's name is Chad. My crush's name is Chad. So, what shot you taking next? The ketchup?
Oh my god. Alright, give me the ketchup.
Ready, you know, come prepared.
Oh my god. I cannot. Ah! What should I just tell you already? I never know.
Alright.
Oh, I'm gonna shot this now, girl. Stop. Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ. Ew!
Look at the pepper still mixed up in that.
Yes!
Alright. Which Jamaican artist would you date?
This is very easy for me. My name is Ashana.
Aisha? Ooh.
Yeah. About Buzz.
What do you think about our performance today?
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I can honestly say that does not happen over here, but yeah.
I would. But that's a popcorn. Yeah.
Oh, you like, man, I just got them ear and some of
You
that.
know they want the ear for just. Yeah. All right.
We're learning a lot about Bicana today.
Oh, wow. Have you ever purchased an adult toy? I have. I wanted to see what the hype was about. Wasn't
No, I have not, but I want to.
Want to?
Yeah.
I have an extra question of part 2. Which one?
Oh my god. Oh my god. So I would really like to get some. Well, it wouldn't really be called a sex toy, but I like handcuffs.
Ooh, yes. That was a good one. I want to try the whip.
When I learned what it about Bicana today.
So much. Alright, what is the dirtiest text you ever received or sent? Just a good try to look at ketchup.
I can tell you that dirtiest text I've sent. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh my god!
It was.
So I sent some. So what I said was.
No man, what did you say? Guys, alright, pause this. What did you think Perry sent? And leave a response.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
So what I said was. More seal in your belly like ship.
What? That is the dirtiest thing you've ever said?
Yes.
No.
That's
PG-13.
That is PG-13.
Yeah, you think I laugh? That's PG-13.
Really?
Like a-
Oh, what did you send? What did you send? More seal in your belly like shape. That dirty and nasty. That would turn me on.
That would be like, okay. That would be like the you know,
prelude to.
no, not even the prelude. You know when you at a restaurant and then put on your napkin and not even that.
Me tell you, say, Una learn a lot about Bicana today because she live a different life over there.
Trust me, guys. That's PG-13 dirtiest. And you're Jamaican and that's the dirtiest. Guys.
Maybe I'm pretty sure I've said other things that are more. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, the consistency. That only for on chicken.
That is not.
And white rice.
I feel you. I feel you. A little bit at all.
Alright. So we're coming. Oh, wow. This is our last question.
Is it?
Oh, that was fast. Maybe I can just throw in some more.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, who is the fakest person in your life?
The fakest as in...
The fakest person. Like,
fake in terms of beauty or fake in terms of just like...
Fake. Like, personality fake. Like...
I don't have those people in my life anymore. I cut them off.
Cut them off. Okay. Okay. Yeah. The fakest person in my life, my cousins.
Jesus!
My cousins. My son, I watch this on a fake. Long time I don't call me on a fake.
Oh, love that. That sounds a little bit passive aggressive. So cousins, please to call her.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. You know, I could beat a girl at a family reunion.
Exactly. Have you ever done anything illegal?
Yes.
Yes.
I mean, breaking a red light is illegal.
That's true.
You know?
Yeah. Jaywalking is illegal.
Yeah, there you go.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Have you ever shoot your shot and failed?
For sure.
I have to.
Yeah.
Embarrassing.
And you that thing say, you that thing say, yeah man, I feel a little energy, I feel a little buzz.
Nope.
Drop the catch.
Worse, you know when I've sent a DM, right, and they seen me and left me unseen, my shame, I just delete the message.
Unsend it.
Unsend it, yeah.
I understand. Kind of want to install that to your phone. I understand.
Alright, let's see. I'm gonna ask it again. Yeah, some of these are... Would you marry the last person you slept with? I would marry him. You can't get like a ring.
No.
No?
No.
Can understand. Some people are on it, you know, like a 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're nice people, but you know,
Not marriage type.
Not anything beyond that. Let me look at these questions. Let me.
Some of them are pretty up there. Or you can think of any off the top of your head?
Hold on. Oh.
I can read my handwriting.
What age did you lose your virginity?
Well. Next question. See ya.
Well then.
No, you're going for the whites.
The whites?
Yeah, you're going for the whites.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah, let's just...
Whoa!
Yeah.
Guys!
The white.
Let me go to the cap then, because that's messy.
Yeah, the white.
Whoa, you hear that fresh open?
I can tell you guys, I lost my virginity at 18.
18?
Yeah. I made it.
Oh, that speaks volume to my answer.
Oh! Wow.
Ooh.
Okay. Love this. So, what's your favorite sex position?
I'm gonna insert a pic. No.
A picture?
I was gonna say, you know, when you have little puppies, you have a dog for the young kids there. I'm just gonna. I'm gonna insert a dog. You grown-ups know the position.
What is that?
You know, America speaking.
I like when them dip on the back of the stool.
See, nice stuff.
I like when them dip on. I like.
Or the one with the spooning, it up on your side.
Oh, you guys are learning a lot about Bicana today, and it took quite a period to come on our channel to try her out like this.
What about you?
Well, I said it. What do you mean in terms of drawing out?
No, your favorite position.
Yeah, but I said it. I mean, like when I'm dip on the back.
Oh, you too. Every answer I get answered. That's strong. Oh, but no. No.
Who has been the best partner in bed?
I refuse to answer that. I refuse.
But I answered it below. I'm so sure look at me to the back here. I mean, I can't call him. Well, I know who has been, but
you're not yeah. Ooh, even the liquor shots.
The whites are weak though.
You're weak?
It's a little bit weak to me.
No, because it took like this much.
Let me see what else.
Would you what's the would you do a threesome?
Yeah.
You would?
Yeah.
I feel like maybe I would.
Have I? Yes.
You have? What? Alright, I keep saying maybe I would try, you know, just to say I've done it. You know, especially when you get up in the age and you talk to the young people them and they're like, oh yeah man, I like, you know, those shows where some old hippies say, yeah, I've done threesomes and all these things. I'm like, alright, maybe I'd try it, but I've never done it. I would try it.
Okay, let's end it with this one.
Okay. No man.
Who is your least favorite YouTuber?
My least favorite YouTuber? Okay, I'm ashamed in telling people who my least favorite YouTuber is.
Oh, but you would have got called in there. Oh my god!
Shut!
Wait,
who is your least favorite?
No, answer first, sis.
My least favorite. Jamaican wise? Or like anybody? I have somebody in mind. There's this who is it? What's her name? Okay, I'm just gonna say my least favorite YouTuber is anyone who is inconsistent with their content.
I need a name, please. I need a name.
A name.
Or take a shot.
You can't think of anybody specific like that? No. Let me take a shot. Yeah, man, this is Guys.
Oh my.
Is it almost 5 o'clock?
Oh my god. That was a setup question still. That was a setup.
Your answer or shots.
That was a setup question.
I feel like I can
because
take a
you
shot.
asked me when it was a local or overseas, and I answered intentionally because I didn't want to take a shot.
Yes. What about you?
My least favorite YouTube, I guess because I watched and I don't really like the content or haven't really kept up with the content.
That was so off, guys.
I'm gonna say okay, so I used to watch Tyler Oakley.
I feel like the name sounds familiar.
Yeah, but then like he kind of sort of fell off from it.
But that counts.
It counts.
So is he your
my
least?
least? Yeah, my least favorite.
Alright. At least you're not a favorite still. You know, should I say somebody new?
You set it up, girl.
You set me up. You set me up because it's still your favorite, but it's your
that's my least.
favorite. So no shame.
It was a trick question. Yeah.
I'm never that crazy question. That's why.
You have to learn workarounds in life, girl.
True. Guys, I'm going to put Quiet Perry's YouTube links down below because I know some of you are from America and you might not like keep up that much, but everybody know Quiet Perry.
Everybody know me, girl. A couple people playing China man and know me and they want to come over, so yes.
Yeah, so the links are down below and make sure you go up in the tabs, click the tab and check out Quiet Perry's videos, check out his vlogs. You want to tell them what type of content you film just in case?
I do like a variety. I do like some lifestyle stuff. I do challenges. I do story times. I cook sometime. I bake one time. You understand? It's a mixture.
So, if you want the cooking tips them from Perry, guys.
I have the cooking tips. Just a kitchen.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, answer some of these questions if you're brave enough.
In the comments, I'll make sure you subscribe to her channel. Subscribe and share this video. Share it. Bye guys. Bye.
S play on the track.